if an attorney misleads you into something that has you agree to something that you can't do, could I sue the attorney?
Well, Greg, you can, and attorneys have malpractice insurance like doctors have. We have malpractice insurance to cover cases like that. So, yes, unfortunately, there may be times where you might need to sue an attorney. But first, before you take that step, I would encourage you to contact the attorney again. Go by and see him, see if he can give you a better explanation as to what happened before you take that next step.
And Chad, tell the folks about the state bar, because they do a wonderful job in regulating attorneys here in the state. Talk to them a little bit about reporting grievances to the state bar.
Kirby, and that's a good point. I should have brought that up first. The state bar in Montgomery will take what's called bar complaints. So if you contact this attorney and you can't get anything worked out, then first contact the state bar. They have a procedure called a bar complaint. And what they do, they take all the information and they'll contact the attorney. The attorney will have to report to Montgomery and can be punished by the state bar. Several different sanctions they can do. Ultimately, it can even take an attorney's license to practice law. So if the mistake is that severe, so the state bar is probably the best place to go after you contact the attorney.
And what about putting it in writing? Is that important?
I think it's important, and the bar complaint process, everything will be in writing. The attorney will have a form sent to them. They will have to respond to Montgomery in writing. So, like you said, Tiffany. But if you're upset with your
attorney in your hometown that you're dealing with, and for whatever reason, would it be important to put that in writing, send that to the law office, and ask them to hopefully respond?
It's always a good idea to do that. That way, you have proof. You have a paper trail. So there's no he said, she said, what the argument is about. You do have it all in writing.
Okay.